So I took the filter out. See, same dishes, same load. And there is water in there. And that will start stinking by tomorrow to high heaven. And yes, I use dishwashing detergent. And the jet dry, I have the jet dry in there. And we've got a water filtration system on our house with a water softener. So I don't understand why this dishwasher that cost over $800 is underperforming. The last dishwasher I purchased last year for our old house for like $300. I mean, this is just disgusting. I shouldn't have to clean my dishwashers. My dishwasher should be cleaning my dishes, but it doesn't. There's crap all over everything and in everything. I mean, I get it. You might say, oh, it'll land on the top, but look, there's debris in this cup. This is just gross. So I'm going to run a cycle again. Oh my God, look at that. That's just gross, y'all. I hate this dishwasher. This dishwasher sucks. So I took the screen out, which I do every time. Rinsed it out, rinsed the filter out, and now I'm going to run the cycle again.